This lesson shows how to solve equations with variables on both sides. When you have an equation with variables on both sides of the equal sign, they have to be combined on one side. Remember, variables are numbers. You can add and subtract variables just like numbers. In this equation, there's a 3x and a negative x on either side of the equal sign. Use inverse operations and add x to both sides. On the right, minus x plus x equals 0. On the left, 3x plus x equals 4x. And you get 4x equals 8. Then the coefficient of the variable is 4. So divide both sides of the equation by 4. On the left, 4 divided by 4 equals 1. And on the right, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. And the solution is x equals 2. Remember to check the solution. For this equation, there's a 7x and a 2x on either side of the equal sign. Use the inverse operation and subtract 2x from both sides. On the right, 2x minus 2x equals 0. On the left, 7x minus 2x equals 5x. This gives 5x minus 5 equals 10. Since 5 is subtracted, use the inverse operation and add 5 to both sides. On the right, 10 plus 5 equals 15. On the left, negative 5 plus 5 equals 0. And you have 5x equals 15. Since the variable is multiplied by 5, divide both sides of the equation by 5. On the left, 5 divided by 5 equals 1. And on the right, 15 divided by 5 equals 3. And the solution is x equals 3. Remember to always check the solution. For this last equation, there's an x and a 2x on either side of the equal sign. This time, we're going to combine the x variables on the right side of the equation. So use the inverse operation and subtract x from both sides. On the right, 2x minus x equals x. On the left, x minus x equals 0. This gives negative 3 equals x plus 4. Since 4 is added, use the inverse operation and subtract 4 from both sides. On the right, 4 minus 4 equals 0. On the left, negative 3 minus 4 equals negative 7. And the solution is x equals negative 7. Be sure to check the solution. The important thing to remember about solving equations like this, you add or subtract variables just like numbers. This lesson showed how to solve equations with variables on both sides. And this lesson was brought to you by the Math Fun Academy. Its continuing mission: to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new math and new equations, to boldly go where no math student has gone before.